Hello guys, myself Saloni Chauthani and today we are going to solve one computer-oriented numerical methods question, and the question is list the error in computation of Simpson and trapezoidal rule. Compare efforts needed for accuracy of Simpson's rule with trapezoidal rule with 2n points and n by 2 points with Gaussian quadrature. And the solution of the given question is given function f of x over an interval. A valid problem would be to decide whether to apply trapezoidal rule or Simpson's rule, or a rule based on fitting a higher order polynomial. In order to make these rule decision, it is necessary to obtain formula for the truncation error. The error in using trapezoidal rule may be derived as follows. Expanding f of x in the interval 0 to h, in a Taylor we got f of x is equals to f of 0 plus x f dash 0 plus x square upon 2 factorial f double dash 0 plus x cube upon 3 factorial f triple z triple dash 0 and so on. So SOH f of x dx equals to h into f of 0 plus h square by 2 f dash 0 plus h cube by 3 f double dash 0 plus h4 upon 4 f triple z 0 and so on. By trapezoidal rule, the higher integral is h by 2, f of 0 plus f of h, expanding f of h in a Taylor series. H by 2 f of 0 plus f of h is equals to h by 2 f of 0 plus f of 0 plus h f dash 0 plus h square upon 2 factorial f double dash 0 plus and so on equals to h f0 plus h square by 2 f dash 0 plus h cube by 4 f double dash 0 plus h to the power 4 upon 12 f triple z triple dash 0 plus and so on. The difference between the equation 1 and equation 2 gives the error in applying trapezoidal rule. The equation 1 is this: SON f of x dx equals to h into f of 0 plus h square by 2 f dash 0 plus h cube by 3 f double dash 0 plus h to the power 4 upon 4 f triple dash 0 plus and so on. And the equation 2 is h into f of 0 plus h square by 2 f dash 0 plus h cube by 4 f double dash 0 plus h to the power 4 upon 12 f triple dash 0 plus and so on. The error is e equals to minus h cube upon 12 f double dash 0 minus h to the power 4 upon 24 f triple z triple dash 0. The difference between equation 1 and equation 2 gives the error. This is the error. As h is the much smaller than 1, the dominant error term is the h to the power 3 term. Thus, if the interval at which f of x is tabulated is half, the error would be reduced by an 8. The error term in Simpson's rule may be calculated in a similar way. It is given by minus h to the power 5 upon 90 f to the power 4 0. This error comes by applying trapezoidal rule, and this error comes by applying the Simpson's rule. Then, the rapid reduction in error makes Simpson rule a favorite one for integration. Simpson's rule with the points gives about as much as accuracy as trapezoidal rule with 2n points. If Gauss quadrative is used, as we may attain the same accuracy with n upon 2 points. Thus, the computational effort required by Gauss quadrative is half as much as that needed by using Simpson's rule. There is no easy way of picking the interval in Gauss method. This is to be contrasted with trapezoidal and Simpson rule, where we are able to while an elegant algorithm. Second, we may be given tabulated function already tabulated at equal interval, in which case only trapezoidal or Simpson formula may be applied. If function is given tabulated at random unequal interval, then only trapezoidal rule can be applied. That's all for this question. Thank you.